Hi, it's Jenn from motorcyclesurplus.com. I'm here to answer your FAQ questions.
All power sports and more. motorcyclesurplus.com.
So there's no trick in installing our fairings. They are just like OEM specs. So look at your service manual for installation instructions, and our fairings are installed the same way. Another question we've received is, what if I want a design that's not on your website? We can do that too. We can replicate anything. All you need to do is send us as many pictures as you possibly can so we can get that copied onto a kit just the way that you want it. So all your decals, all your colors, everything else that makes that design the way that you want it, send us pictures and we can do that for you. So the return policy for our fairings is within 30 days of receipt of your fairings. They need to be packaged just the way you got them. All labels must still be there. You will need an RMA to return this. So please, if there's something you do not like about your fairings, give us a call and we will help you out. So this is Jenn from Motorcycle Surplus. Thank you for watching.
All power sports and more. motorcyclesurplus.com.